A hospital boat named for Pope Francis has been delivering medical aid along the Amazon River. The boat has been sailing since last July. It is helping rural communities in Brazil's Amazon region. On board are 23 medical experts offering assistance to combat the coronavirus pandemic. Brazil has been one of the hardest hit countries with more than 70,000 recorded deaths. Joining us now is Courtney Mares, Rome correspondent for Catholic News Agency, and she has been following this story. Courtney, great to see you again.
Thank you, Tracy. It's great to be back.
So, Courtney, why is this hospital boat named after Pope Francis, and how has it been assisting the communities in the Amazon?
This hospital boat is the initiative of Brazilian Franciscan friars who say that they were inspired by Pope Francis's World Youth Day trip to Brazil, in which, and also the Pope's call for the church to be more like a field hospital. Now this floating field hospital is on the front lines of the fight against the coronavirus pandemic in the Amazon. It's been providing examinations and delivering medications to isolated villages. And in addition to this, the ship is equipped with an emergency operating room and an ultrasound machine, and its volunteer medical crew has been providing tens of thousands of consultations and vaccinations for yellow fever, meningitis, and other diseases found in the rainforest since its launch last year.
We know Pope Francis has paid particular attention to the indigenous communities in the Amazon. Are they being affected at all by the pandemic?
Brazil has the second highest number of coronavirus cases after the United States, with more than 1.9 million cases of COVID-19 so far. Despite their isolation, the communities along the Amazon River have not been shielded from this outbreak. And these indigenous communities are particularly vulnerable due to the lack of accessible health infrastructure in the area. For some villages, the nearest hospital is over a half-day's boat ride away. This is why early detection and education in how best to prevent the spread of the virus is so important for these communities.
Courtney, talk to us about how the church is helping to fight the pandemic in Brazil and Latin America.
Pope Francis has donated several ventilators to hospitals in Brazil. Actually, one of them was delivered this week to a hospital close to the Amazon rainforest. And the local bishop said that this particular ventilator will be used especially to treat indigenous peoples. Catholic charities in Brazil have also been aiding those in need and raising the alarm about the potential devastating effects of an outbreak on the poor and vulnerable in this region. One charity, Caritas, says it has already provided more than 100,000 people with food as people face really tough times in this crisis.
Oh, Courtney, thank you so much for talking with us today. We really appreciate it. Courtney Mares, Rome correspondent for Catholic News Agency. Thanks again, Courtney.
Thank you.